Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this is actually the introduction to Cake Radio, which is a little segment on my channel that I want to start. And basically what Cake Radio is I want to feature artists, teachers, websites, just Instagram profiles, Facebook profiles, to be able to give you a resource on where to find classes online. Because when I first started in the baking industry, I didn't really know who to ask, or sometimes when you just join Facebook or Instagram and you haven't done it for a while, you're kind of lost and you don't know how to get access to the things that people are posting. People post about classes and meeting other creators and meeting other people on Instagram and going to all these like cake conventions, cookie con, all that stuff. And I just want this to be kind of like a place where you find those resources. We kind of like explore people that are teaching and people that inspire other people to keep on creating in this baking career. So what I also want to do, besides featuring resources for you, I've also found that there's a lot of people that do baking, not just for the cake. And I know that doesn't make sense, it sounds a little bit weird, but a lot of people use baking or like a baking business as a way to help other people. So there's a lot of people that are baking for a cause, or that are baking for a certain purpose. Like for example, there's people that bake and all the proceeds go to certain foundations. I also want to showcase things like that. So hopefully it's a place where you find people with common interests, people that you have been looking for a while. I hope that the resources help you. And definitely let me know in the comments if there's any profiles that you think I should feature on this segment, or any profiles that you've seen that are interesting, people that are teaching. It doesn't really matter how many followers they have. It doesn't matter how big their channels are. I just want to make sure that we all kind of have a place where we can share things like this. So hopefully you guys like this. Hopefully it's something that you find helpful. And definitely let me know what your comments are, what your thoughts are. And here is to Cake Radio and episode 0, which is this episode. Anyway, I'll talk to you later in the next episode.